If you're a beginner content creator like me and you have experienced a point in time where your videos get stuck at very low views, then you might be leaving out certain important detail. Now, that very detail is very minute. It is tiny, but tell you what, it has a very huge positive impact on the YouTube algorithm. And in this video, that is what I'm about to show you, so that the next video you are uploading, you will do it the right way. So if you're excited, stay tuned and let's head over to learn something great.
Virtual Giant, like and subscribe.
The earlier you understand that the YouTube algorithm works in mysterious ways, the better your chances of making it on this YouTube journey. What it means is that when uploading your video, you do not leave the slightest or the tiniest detail to chance, because the YouTube algorithm is particular about this tiny detail that I'm about to share with you. Now, when you finish exporting your video from your video editor, you need to do something, and that is changing the file name to match the title of your video. Yes, you realize that after exporting your video, it comes in date and then random numbers. YouTube is not interested in this. You need to define what this particular video is about, and that title must be in alignment with the name or the file name of that particular video, and obviously it must contain keywords. So I will recommend vidIQ to you for your keyword research, and there's a link in the description box which can take you straight to vidIQ for you to be able to do your keyword research. Now, away from that, in order to change your file name, because I am using Android, I will head straight over to my file manager and then locate this particular video I exported and change or edit the video title or the file name to suit the title of the YouTube video itself. The next strategy to uploading your videos the right way on YouTube is by saving your thumbnail with the same title or the same name as the file name and the title of your video. Now, when you use Canva to design your YouTube thumbnails, you can be able to change the file name directly in there, or when you download the thumbnail, you can go into your gallery and then effect that change. Now, the reason why it is important to make your thumbnail, the title, and the file name of the video be in alignment is that YouTube algorithm needs all these data in order to be able to push your videos to the right audience. Assuming that your video is made up of the file name is date and random numbers, whereas you have a title and then your YouTube thumbnail is in a different name altogether, YouTube algorithm will not know the particular audience who will be interested in your video. And that is part of the reasons why there are certain videos that have over 15k impressions or reach, and then they have about 6 to 7 views. It is part of the reason because the title, the file name, and then the thumbnail is not defined to match the particular video. So YouTube algorithm doesn't know who is much interested in your content, and when it tests it with certain people who are not interested, they scroll past it and it sends a wrong signal to the algorithm, and eventually your video starts or doesn't get any views at all. And that is a bad business. If you are a beginner creator, you may get discouraged and eventually quit. So in order to see success, in order to get to the monetization, in order to grow on YouTube, then I suggest that you implement these strategies to upload your videos the right way on YouTube. So let me know in the comment section if this particular strategy worked for you. Thanks for staying with me. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.